Hi and welcome to Tudor House. We've got a one-bedroom apartment for rent here. So any tenants in the Walsall area looking for a one-bedroom apartment, you can see this is Tudor House on Bridge Street in Walsall. And basically we're in the heart of the Walsall town centre. Behind us is the bus station. The train station is just about 3 minutes walk in that direction where the camera's pointing now. And the A34 Arboretum Park is a short walk, about 500 yards on that side. So we're going to take you in now and do a walkthrough video tour. And if you like what you see, links will be in the description, and hopefully we'll take you forward to a physical viewing. Thank you and see you soon. Okay, so we're on the second floor. You've got flats 10 to 12 going that way and 7 to 9 going this way. There's one more floor in this building. So if you go through, I'll take you through to the flat. Okay, it's the door on your right. I'll let the camera walk into the flat first and then close the door. So this is a one-bedroom apartment on the second floor in Tudor House. So you've got video intercom entry system, which is on this wall over here. And then off the entrance hallway, you've got basically the rooms going off. So we'll go into the lounge, come kitchen first. What I love about this building is that it's got these big windows, big old windows, which brings in so much light into the building. So over in that corner is where you see where the aerial point is, the double sockets. There's a BT point here as well, so you'd have your TV place over here, I guess. Your sofas would go where the camera's standing over there by the window. You can have all this space. You can see how spacious this room really is. It's heated by electric storage heating. There's no gas in this building. And off the lounge is your kitchen. So a really decent space. You've got obviously the cooker comes with the property. You've got a space there for a washing machine. And here, you've got a choice. You can put your fridge freezer over here, and then maybe a small kind of breakfast table over here for a couple of people. So it's functional, and it's for a one-person, two-person rental property. It's it's in good shape and good size as well, actually. So if we go through back to the entrance hallway, and we'll show the bathroom first before we go into the bedroom. So a full-size bath, WC wash and basin, and it's got an electric shower as well. The flooring is ceramic tiles. Okay, and then into a really good double-size bedroom. You can see where the furniture mark has fallen of where the bed was of the previous occupants. They clearly had a wardrobe, dressing table or something over there. There was also something in that corner over there. You can see there was a bedside table here. So, look at this. This is how good a space this room is, and you've got this massive window bringing in plenty of light. So this is the one-bedroom flat on Tudor House for rent. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you do like what you see and you want to make inquiries, then as usual the links will be in the description. Please give us a call, follow the links to our website, register with us, call us, use the online form, and hopefully we'll bring you forward to a physical viewing. Take care and see you soon.